Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor and welcome to my studio. Now, in this particular course, my plan is to teach you how to create a mood in your painting. And really, you can see it looks very simple, but it's a series of glazing and layering and simplifying a composition or even creating one out of your own imagination. You don't have to worry too much about trying to be perfect. And when it comes to creating the boat, it's very simple. It's just working with the amount of pressure on the brush, a press and release, and a mast, and just suggesting that it's there. So, we have a few lessons in this particular course. I'm going to warm you up to this painting here. What we're going to focus on is the amount of water on the surface, using color and blending it, and trying to evoke that feeling and a little bit of weather and still water, along with maybe a little rain or a chop on the water. But this is our main focus, creating this painting. But to get here, the intention is trying to have something soft, delicate, and something soothing. And then we also have these other paintings that we'll be working on. Again, working with the highlights, create a little bit of color in the distance, and here too, a different kind of feeling, chop on the water, and using the technique of the simplified sailboats. So I think you're really going to have fun. I know I really enjoyed it, and it was a wonderful emotional experience to paint this way, and I hope you join me. So let's go ahead, start painting, and have some fun.